So, what's up, everybody? And in this lecture, we are going to talk about the keyword research, which is the most essential part of our course. And in this lecture, basically, we are going to use the free tool by Google Keyword Planner to do the keyword research. There are a lot premium tools in the market, but I will not be using the premium tool because you are starting out for right now, and the free tool is recommended for you because you don't have enough budget. But if you have the budget, then you can go with the premium tools as well, because they are easy to use. You have more accurate results. But right now, as most of the people would not be on the budget, they would not have enough budget for to buy the SEO tool. They we would prefer like the free tool. So we'll be using this tool. To use that tool, you have to go to ads.google.com, and here in niche research we just selected this gaming chair niche as the main niche, because according to competition, interest, profitability, and its volume, this was the best niche. So now what we have to do is just go to ads.google.com, click on start now, and after clicking on start now, click on create new ad account. But I already have an ad account, so I'll just click on that ad account. So to I have a recommendation for you, that if you have an ad account from your relative or anyone else, on which you have spent a few bucks, like you have spent around $10 to $15, then I would recommend you to use that ad account. But because with that ad account you will get accurate results, but with the new ad account you will not get that much accurate results, but you will get some kind of let's say you will get the estimates but not the exact results. And after going to your ads account, you just have to go to tools and settings, and here you have to go to keyword planner. And in keyword planner, you have to click on this discover new keywords, and here you have to enter your main keyword. Now our main keyword is gaming chairs, so I'll say because I'm going to create a money page on it, I'm going to create a blog regard like best gaming chairs, etc. So I'll search for best gaming chairs. Let's say this is my main keyword, so I'll select it, and then the location, so I'll remove it. I want to search it for worldwide, and I'll just save it and click on get results. So here you go, I got the results. So I was talking about this volume, average monthly searches. If you have spent $10 to $15 on Google Ads, on that account, then you will see exact results. But if you haven't spent that much, then you will see results like 0 to 10 searches, 10 to 100 searches, 100 to 1k searches, and 1k to 10k searches, and 10k to 100k searches. Like for this one, if this was a new account, I would see 10k to 100k searches here. I would not see the accurate results, so that's why I'm telling you about that. So here you can see we have got all the results here, and now what we have to do is we just have to export all these results, because we'll be using these keywords for our blog. And now I'll just click on download keyword ideas, and I'll say Google Sheets, and in my drive I'll go to my drive, and I'll just go to my folder courses and to my course, and here I'll just save it and click on download. So here you go, it would be added to my Google Sheets file. So here you can see, click on open sheets, and here we got that sheets file. So here I'll name it best gaming chairs main, and here we got all the stats, and we just have to clear the trash first of all. So I'll just delete these two which are above, then delete this one, this column, and delete rest of the columns except average monthly searches and the first one, which is a keyword. Okay, so let's just keyword and average monthly searches be here, and let's just delete all other stuff. So here you can see, here we have this one, keywords with volumes. And here we have got the keywords that we want for our keyword research. And now let's just name this tab as main. And now we will start the keyword clustering process. By keyword clustering process, I mean that modifying these keywords and adding these keywords to multiple groups. And how to add these keywords to multiple groups, I'll tell you about that as well. First of all, what you will have to do is you'll have to go there, and I'll tell you, just go there, create new filter, and you have to add filters here. And after adding the filters, oh sorry, click on that and add filters, and filters are added now. I'll make it a little bigger. So here you go, the filters got added. And now what you have to do is you just have to go back and just go to this one, and I'll just delete this one. Yep, just go to this keyword view, and here you have to select grouped view, and here you will see multiple clusters, and here you have to create different groups for different type of keywords, and you can select, like this one is under $50. So I'll just copy this one, and I'll go to that file, and here you can filter, go to filter, and filter by condition, and text contains, just add this one and click on OK. And here you got them, these keyword searches. So this is one content idea, you can say, or this is one cluster with which you can create a complete content, and this is the complete group of keywords. So you can just copy these keywords, and you can create a new sheet, and you can just paste these keywords here. Okay, and then you can just copy this row as well, and you can paste it here. Okay, so that's how you can create multiple clusters. These are multiple groups of keywords that you will get. These are basically the content ideas, you can say, or you can say these are the keyword groups. Then under 2000, best affordable, I'll also create for best affordable, so it is under $50. And then again we'll go to the filter, best affordable. These are basically the keyword groups. Yeah, this one, copy, and best affordable. So here you can see we got some new ones with best affordable. So I'll just copy this one and add new sheet, best affordable. So here I'll add this one. So that's how you will have to add the multiple clusters. You can just see from here multiple groups, and you can create the multiple groups in the sheets, so that those would be all your content ideas, you can say, or you can say those would be your keyword groups, that on the basis of which you can create multiple contents, multiple blog posts. Like here you can see chair cute, then fabric gaming. Here you can see in fabric gaming you got let's search for it as well, or best pink fat guys, and etc etc. So you are getting different keyword types, and you can just use those different keyword types as well. Like here you can see best fabric gaming chair Reddit, and a cheap fabric gaming chair, and etc etc, under $200. Like here you can see, you can then just copy it, and then again add a sheet, paste it, I'll insert a row above, copy this one as well, and paste it. And here I'll say fabric gaming. So for the sake of example, I just created only three clusters, but here in the grouping section, here you can see you have multiple groups, and you can create multiple like multiple clusters, multiple keyword clusters. So here you can see in this one, fabric gaming, you have like best fabric gaming chair Reddit, cheap fabric gaming chair, budget fabric gaming chair, best fabric gaming chair. So you can try and you can apply to rank for all these keywords containing fabric gaming chair, and you can appear somewhere in a fabric gaming chair keyword, and you can get traffic to your website. But make sure that all these tabs and all these clusters are on a similar keyword, are targeting a similar niche, or targeting a same niche, because we have selected a niche, and we can just focus on that niche regarding that website, and we have to rank only on that niche type. So that was all about this lecture about doing a keyword research using a free tool. I'll see you in next lecture. In this lecture, I will share with you that how you can do the competitor research and how you can spy on competitors keywords on which they are ranking, and then you can apply the same keywords on your blog post, and you can rank easily on that keywords because it would be easy for you. So here we have used our Google Keyword Planner. We have created the clusters. Now I'll remove this. I'll just remove this one, and now here we have a list of keywords here. Okay, and now to do that stuff, to do the competitor research, you just have to go back to the keyword planner, click on discover new keywords, and now here you have to click on start with website. Then what you have to do is you just have to go to Google, and you have to search for something like best gaming chairs. And after searching for that, here you have to select any of these any of the website here. You can select any website here. It's on you. So let's say I will select best gaming chair. Yep, this one. Copy link address and just paste that link here. Okay, so this is the website link, and from here you have to select only this page. And then why only this page? Because TechRadar or other ranking websites are major websites, authority general websites, so those websites are ranking on other keywords as well, but we have to select the keywords on which this specific page, this specific blog post is ranking, because this is our of our business. None of the other is our business. Okay, so I'll just have to click on get results. And here you can see we got the results we got the keywords for those as well. Now what we can do is we can just select keyword overview, and here we have got all these keywords. Or what we can do is you can just click on group view, and we can click on download keyword ideas, click on Google Sheets, and in my drive again I'll just go there, uh, my drive, and Khadeen Akbar courses, and here in affiliate marketing, and I'll just select this one, save here, and here the name would be competitor research, and click on download, and it would be downloaded, and within a while we'll able to access it. And I'll click on open sheets, and here you go. We got the complete sheet with the complete volumes and everything here. So here we have all the keywords now. So all the keywords are listed here, and now again what you have to do is just delete these rows, delete that column, and delete all the other columns. Go back. You can just delete this one as well, delete the row, and we can just copy these two, and we can go to this one and we can paste this list here. This is the process I am doing after keyword clustering, but you will have to do it before keyword clustering. You will have to collect all the keywords related to that niche. And now here you can see we have all the keywords here. And now what you have to do is you just have to go to data and go to data cleanup and remove duplicates, because you have to remove the duplicates, and click on remove duplicates. And here you can see 196 duplicates found and are removed. Now we have only the unique records, and now you can you have a lot group keyword ideas here as well: support gaming, leather gaming, cheap gaming, and a chair review, etc., etc. So let's say we'll say cheap gaming, or let's say lab chairs. Okay, so we can say lab chairs or office gaming. So I'll just click on this one, and here by filter by condition contains, and I'll search for office gaming, and then okay. Didn't found anything. uh, where is it? Yep, this one. Just copy it and paste it here. Text contains, okay. I didn't found anything, but let's say PC chairs, or let's say cheap gaming. Okay, so cheap gaming, let's go there. Text contains cheap gaming. It's not working. So got some error and I just solved it. It was like a regular error. So I text contains cheap gaming and click on that, and here you go. We got the results for cheap gaming as well. So here you can see cheap gaming chairs under $50, under $100, etc., etc. So what we can do is we can just duplicate that page and say it cheap gaming. But when we'll be duplicating that page, it would contain filter, but it would also contain all that stuff, all that rows. But if you want a simple stuff like that, then you will have to copy that. You will have to copy that all those rows, and after copying these rows, you can create a new page, and like you can create a new page here from here, and you can paste that stuff there. Now we don't have any filters and we have clear cut results. Okay, so that's how you can create more clusters. That's how you can just do competitors research. You just have to go there, copy a blog post address similar to your one, and you can just go here and paste there, and you will get the complete results. And here you go, and I'll name it cheap gaming. Okay, so I'll just remove it now. And I'll remove this one now. Delete. Okay, so it's delete. And here you can see now you have a lot of the other keyword groups as well, and like you have 53 keyword groups now, and you can just combine keyword groups from a keyword and keyword groups from a URL. You can use multiple URLs as well. You can put here multiple URLs, and you can get results from those URLs, and you can create the clusters of keywords. And now here we have multiple clusters of keywords, and we can use these keywords to start creating content, to start working on our content for the next phase of content creation.